Hello everyone. Today we will see a demo how we can add validation, data validation using Flow. Okay, so we have a lot of chat GPT, your agent force and all those things. They are good in writing code, but today we'll see how we can make non-coding automation like Flow using generative AI. Okay, so for that today we'll use this prayas.click. So just visit prayas.click as I am showing in the URL. So then you have option to do a sign up, or you simply do sign in with Google. Okay, select one of your Google account. Okay, now you are in Prayas homepage, so you can always select a new chart and ask any question you like to ask, like ChatGPT or Gemini or Grok, similar to that. But I have already have created a sample for you, so we will go with that. Okay. So what I asked here to Prayas.click. So I asked, can you show me an ASCII diagram of Salesforce Flow, which will add a validation that one account can have maximum 5 contacts. Okay. So you can see it's created a similar kind of flow diagram. So we'll follow that and we'll do it here using the demo. So what we'll do, we'll just click on the setup. I'm already clicked on flow, and yeah, so I'm already there, so I can directly do new flow. So using a new flow, first thing is always start it from scratch. Okay, so I'm starting it from scratch. So as it's saying here, you follow a record trigger flow. You will see here in the first itself saying a record trigger flow. Then it's saying before sale, and it's saying that the object you select is contact object. Okay, so we'll follow that and do. Let's see. I'll close unnecessary tabs, so it's creating confusion. So record trigger flow, then create, then okay. So from the object we'll select contact. Then here a record is created or updated. If you see here it's saying a record is created or updated. Okay, so we'll select that a record is created or updated. Then will not have any entry criteria as such, but if you wanted to do, you can always do it similar to, let's say I'm adding an entry criteria saying that okay, that saying that this record saying that account ID. Okay, and account ID not equals to, okay, or I can say is null, is false. Okay, that means only will take contacts which is having a account. Okay, so now in the here we'll say that okay, every time a record is updated it's fine, but if you select this one first field update, it will run in before, but if you select this one, it will run in after. So as for here, it's always saying that okay, do it in before trigger. It's saying that okay, it should be in before trigger. Okay, so before trigger means you select this one, and always the validation rules are always supposed to be in before trigger, not after trigger. Okay, so now we'll save it. We'll get some warning, so don't care about that. We'll do it later. Okay, so it's saying that okay, we need to provide a what name. So I'm saying that contact, let's say contact before event. Okay, mainly I'm just saying before and before flow. Okay, so you can just give any name. I have given one name, but it is always appropriate you follow the object name, then the which event it is occurring and all those things. So now you see I'm getting a warning, error warning here. It's saying that your flow cannot be run because nothing is connected to start the element. That's fine. Okay, we have not connected anything as of now. So we'll close it. Then then we'll click here on the start element. Okay, no, not start element, the plus one here. Okay, so in the plus one, we'll configure this one, the get record flow. Okay, we'll select a get record from here, get record. Okay, now in the get record, it's saying that just put a label over here. So I'm already having a label over here, so I'll not just think anything, just copy paste over there, and then you select contact. Okay, contact, this one. So it is already written over here, you are supposed to select contact. Okay, so now it's saying that add two filter conditions. One is account id equals to record.account id and id not equals to record.id. I'll tell you what that. So account id, so we wanted to search the sibling accounts, right? So what we'll do, sibling accounts, we can do, let's say it's saying that account id equals to, here we have record here. You scroll down, record. Okay, record dot account id. Okay, record dot account id. So now, first thing is sibling search is done, but the contact which we are inserting, there we are supposed to get the validation. That contact we need to exclude. That means the contact we need to exclude. So how can we do that? So just add a here, id. Okay, this contact id. Okay, you say that or say doesn't equals to your record dot id. Okay, so it's now done. Okay, you see both the condition we have already put, but it is now it's saying how many records to store or count only, but this feature actually not present. I can do it in some other way. I will show you. So you just select all record from here and just leave other things as it is, then click on save. Okay, now your get existing contact fetching logic is done. So here you add one more element called assignment element. Okay, so in that assignment element you can say existing contact counts. Okay, sorry, it's a spelling mistake here. Existing contacts count. Okay, contacts count. So leave the API as it is. So in the variable you put you create a new variable. Okay, so let's say I will say that okay, I'm creating a new variable uh, which name is data type you put, because we are going to store the numbers, put the number and decimal place and all those things leave as it is. Then in the API name you say that contact uh, contact count. Okay, contact underscore count, just put it as it is, then okay, then done. Okay, nothing, or default value you can set it as 0. That means if nothing is there, it will set as 0. Okay, so then it is done here. Now here in the operators, you, here is the important thing, you have to put that equals count. Okay, equals count, then you can say contacts. We want the get existing contacts, right? Contacts from get existing contacts. This is the get existing contacts. Okay, contacts from get existing contacts. Then it is done. Okay. Now what we have now the counts with us. So we will now put a condition over here. So what type of condition we'll put? So we'll decision condition. Decision condition. It's already saying here that you have to put a decision condition in the next node. So here decision condition, you say check contact limit. Check contact limit and this count you compare greater than equal to 5. Okay. So I'll just copy this check contact limit from here and I'll put it here. Then API name leave as it is. Then in the label you say that invalid. First invalid will do, then valid. So when it will become invalid? When we have existing contact count, and you know that, right? We have this count. We created this from the assignment variable. Okay, contact count. Contact count we have stored in this assignment variable. Okay, we'll say that okay, greater than or equals 5. That means already 5 contacts it is holding. Okay, 5 we said. Then if the condition requirement are met, all those things you just leave as it is. Just in the default outcome you make it as valid. Valid means you will not do anything. Okay, valid condition. Okay, now we have two. That means invalid condition means we have more than 5 contacts, or 5 or more than 5 contacts. Valid condition means we will not do anything. So we will just work on this invalid side. So that's what it is saying. The yes side, that means which is greater than equal to 5. The yes side we need to work on. The no side, nothing to do. Okay. So in the yes side, what will be where the limit is exceeding, right? We say max contact count reached error. This is a custom error message we are going to add, right? So you see here it is saying custom error message we are going to add. Let's see if there are anything called custom error message. Uh, this builder is a little hectic. Okay, so sometimes you can do a zoom out. It will make you better. You will see custom error. Okay, so there is a custom error here, correct? So that's fine. We have the custom error here. We will add the error message. So in the error message, what we will do? We will add that already saying the maximum contact reached error, right? So this one we'll copy from here and we'll put the label and API name as it is. Okay. Now in a window on a record page as an internal error on a field. So it is a record level validation because number of contacts we are taking. Better to put it record level. If it is field level validation, you select this one. But as of now, it's a record level validation. So we'll put this thing. Okay. Enter error message with no more than 255 character. But ours is very less, so you can just simply copy it from here. So you say that okay, this account is already 50. Okay, copy it. Okay. Okay. What you can do, you just come here. Uh, you just come here and create a new resource. Okay, and you say that it's a variable, and you say that it's a error message. Okay, and just on the data type select text, then default value put it this one. Okay, this is the default value, nothing we need to do. So done. Okay, now our variable is created error message. So what you have to do is you come here and select error message. Error message. That's all. So direct string it is not taking. So if you wanted to put error message password, store it, creating a new resource, then you refer here. Okay. Now save it. It will work. Okay. Okay. We did a wrong thing. We two times added error. That's the reason it's creating problem. Delete one of the error. Okay. Now just select one error message, and from here we select remove this thing. So this flow builder is sometimes confusing. Okay, even I used to get confused, but and while you are doing a live demo, you will get more confused. So this is human nature, so not a problem. Error message, then save it. I think this time error message will go all the best. Yes, gone. Okay. So what we'll do? All the things are now done. So we will activate it. Okay. You can test it doing a run test, but I have directly activated it because of considering the time. So now we will back and see whether it is working or not, right? So we will go to account page. Uh, so let's see, we'll quickly add a few contacts. So go to account, create a new account, and I will say this new account is my flow error flow error message test. Okay, flow error message test. I created an account. This account is not having now any contact, so zero contact. You can see we'll quickly add 4 5 contacts. Okay, so now you see I'll add a contact. Okay, let's say test one. Okay, so I'll just do last name because I wanted to quickly finish this video. That's why 7 new. First contact is added. Second contact, test 2, 7 new. Second contact successfully added. Okay, then we'll say test 3, 7 new. Third contact successfully added. Then test 4, 7 new. Fourth contact successfully added. Okay, test 5. What will happen? It will add or not? It will add because we have said more than 5. Okay, so test 5 will also add. 7 new. Now it's time for the test 6. It will add or not? It will not. The expectation is it will not. If our flow is working correctly, it will not allow this contact. Let's see. You see, this account already has a maximum of 5 contacts, cannot add more. That means everything is working fine as we expected. Our job is done for today. So price.click help us a lot. So if you wanted to use price.click, I told you how to log in and all the things. You can see all your chart history here. You can clear any of the chart history if you want. Let's say I wanted to delete this, I can delete this. I can also start a new chart. Let's say I can just click on new chart. I can go and say that, okay, let's say, do you know Salesforce uh, Sales Cloud versus Service Cloud in a table? Okay, so it's like ChatGPT. It's like a Grok or anything you are using. Same to same, but it is a pioneer for Indian context chatbot. So sometimes you will see some Indian words. So that's all. Otherwise, it's same as it was. So you are free to use it for now. Okay, you can see the response now. It's very nicely presented response. Salesforce Sales Cloud versus Service Cloud. What are the things in Sales Cloud like lead management, account and contact management, opportunity management? Whereas in your Service Cloud, it is case management, omni-channel, knowledge base, and all those things. The next section, what is the target set of users and all those things, key metrics, typical flows, and all those things. Very detailed. And you can also ask subsequent questions. For example, I like to know, I like to know more about case management. So you can see here, okay, let the response come and we'll see. Yeah, you can see the case management is full detailed about case management responses coming, what is the case management, how it works, and how you can leverage agent productivity and all those things. Fully detailed. So it's a nice one. So you can use it and let me know what is your experience and all. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.